Our world is rapidly changing. People and businesses are having to adjust to new normalities and ways of working. Reuniting the workforce and helping customers engage with companies safely and confidently is a global priority. Every day, organisations are facing unprecedented challenges. Creating confidence in the market whilst mitigating risks is vital in this new and uncertain world. From testing, inspection and certification through to processes and the health, safety and well-being of your employees and customers, Intertek can provide you with total quality assurance.
So if you're not able to manufacture the final sample, at this moment in time, it's not a problem. You don't have to hold up your process. We can make a start with you today.
I will guide you through this step by step. Let's discuss what we can do for you right now.
Whilst the project's still moving forward, for us it's business as usual. The ATEX project is still in the labs and the engineers are working on it today.
A lot of companies are exposed to risk in their supply chain, and we can definitely help you.
Right. Yeah, everyone's talking about the increase in cyber risk. Cyber security is absolutely a focus for many companies.
We have a solution in place. It's a new service offering called Intertek. It's the world's first health, safety and well-being assurance program, and it should tick all the boxes. I will guide you through it step by step.
But what we can do is set up an account review and use Teams. If I set that up for next week, and then yourself and the team can get together and we can review the progress.
We are ready to support you with your business continuity plans right now. We are already working with many organisations and helping their employees and companies to thrive. Contact us today to set up a call with one of our experts.
We can help you.